today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch from Monzo to a LlOYDS current account. We'll walk through the full process from opening your new account to choosing a switch date and waiting for completion, so you know exactly what to expect at each stage. First, open a LlOYDS current account and choose the switching service during the application. You can apply online in the mobile app or in a branch. Pick the current account that suits your needs, and as you go through the form, look for the option to use the current account switch service. Selecting this tells LlOYDS you want them to move your payments for you and close your old account when the switch completes. Have your ID and proof of address ready, as standard checks may apply. Take a moment to review any fees or eligibility criteria so you're happy with your choice before confirming. Next, provide your Monzo details. You'll be asked for your Monzo sort code, account number, and debit card information. You can find these in your Monzo app. Double check every digit, as accuracy is essential for moving direct debits, standing orders, and saved payees without disruption. Only enter these details within the official LlOYDS application, never share them publicly. This information allows LlOYDS to contact companies you pay and to redirect incoming payments like your salary. Then choose a switch date. Pick a date at least 7 working days in the future. Remember, working days don't include weekends or bank holidays. Consider timing around your payday or major bills to keep things smooth. You can continue using your Monzo account right up until the switch date, but it's a good idea to keep enough money in there to cover anything due before the move completes. Setting a clear date helps LlOYDS coordinate the transfer so payments land in the right place at the right time. Finally, wait for completion. LlOYDS will handle the transfer of your regular payments, move your balance, close your Monzo account, and let you know when everything's done. You'll receive a confirmation once the switch is complete. Thanks to the switching service, you're covered if any eligible payment is missed during the process. After you get the confirmation, your everyday banking continues from your new LlOYDS account with your direct debits and standing orders now in place. And that's the entire journey. Apply and select the switch, provide your Monzo details, choose a date at least 7 working days ahead, and wait for LlOYDS to confirm the move is finished.